Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be trying two new things with you. First things first, I am recording with my iPhone 10 with the regular basic lens, and everyone's been telling me like, look, iPhone 10 shoots well, iPhone 10 shoots well. So I was like, okay, let me try the iPhone 10 look. And the look I'm going for today is I'm very busy, so sometimes like I have my makeup on all day, then at night I need to go out. Sometimes I can't wash my whole face off, you know what I mean? So I have to like basically fix what I have on my face because I don't have enough time to wash my whole face off. I'm sure that happens to a lot of us. Or like, let's say you're just getting off work and you decide to go out last minute or whatever, so you need to like do something to your face or whatever. So that's the look that I'm gonna go for today. It's right now I think about 8 p.m. I've had this makeup on since about 1 p.m. So I've had this makeup on 6-7 hours. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna refresh it so that I could step out. Like I'm going out for a quick drink. So let's do it. So basically this is the face, obviously, as you guys can see. First thing I like to do is refresh the face, which I'm going to use MAC Fix Plus Spray. Just basically refresh the face a little bit, because basically what I'm doing is making it wet and giving it a moist, basically like a moist, you know, make it easy to apply more makeup to it. I don't know if that makes any sense, but yeah, that's what I'm doing. Basically what it does is that it's making it easy to like re-put concealer on it instead of putting it on a dry face. And I think I did a video already and told you guys how I'm now currently into like the whole very natural glowy looking makeup thing or whatever. I'm not wearing as much makeup as I used to wear. And that's kind of what makeup is all about anyway. I'm not sure if you guys know, makeup is really a lot about trends, you know, and right now like full face cakey lots of makeup is not really trending at the moment. Not that you have to follow trends, because sometimes I don't like to follow trends, but in general right now that's the look that I like. So first thing I'm doing is taking my LA Girl concealer in the toffee color and applying it under my eyebrows. It's the first step that I'm doing, and then just like basically kind of like blending it out. So blending it out on my nose area, the highlight on my nose, blending it out on top of my lip, blending it out here, my chin, and then maybe slightly a little bit over here on top of the brow. Just like that. So basically this is my first step. Now I'm going to take my foundation brush, which basically has my foundation on it, and I'm going to use it to apply the concealer. The reason why I'm doing that is because, as I was telling you, lately I don't like too much makeup, so I don't want it to be that much lighter. So that's the reason why I'm using the foundation brush, because clearly the foundation brush will have a little bit of dark foundation on it. So just use that to blend it out under the eyes. Now I'm going to take my regular foundation, which is the Christian Dior foundation, and then the areas that I didn't highlight, I'm just going to take the foundation and like go over those areas just to, you know, make the makeup pop more, make it last longer, freshen up the makeup. That's all we're doing here, is literally freshening up our makeup. So after I do that, next, what I am going to get into is the brows. I didn't pencil in my brows because they were already done. I'm just using a brow setter to go through them to make it waterproof, change the color a little bit, again, make it last longer and make it pop. Next, I'm going to set that foundation, and what I'm going to use is the Mineralized Skin Finish in Deep from MAC Cosmetics. And I'm using this because, again, I want a glowy look. It's a very satin light powder, so I'm just going to use that for like a light contour, not a harsh contour, and to set the foundation. Next, we're going to get into lashes, which I'm going to be using Calais Beauté, my favorite lash company. This is an old lash. I've used it several times, which is why I love luxury lashes, because you could reuse the lashes over and over and over. Using dual glue, I'm just going to put the glue on the lash whilst I wait for it to get tacky. I'm going to do other things because this makes it easier to apply the lash. I'm going to use Mercer setting powder. This is a travel size, which I love because it easily fits into my regular everyday makeup bag. I'm not going to bake. I'm just going to dab a little bit in the areas that I highlighted, and that's because I wanted to set and pop a little bit more, but I'm not looking for a matte face, which is the reason why I am not baking with it. Just dab it lightly in the areas that I used the toffee concealer in the areas that I did not use the MAC powder in. Cheeky bronzer is normally a highlighter, but today I'm going to use it as an eyeshadow. And I'm just going to dip a little bit over my eyes just to give me a more glowy, make my eyes pop out a little bit more. That's the only reason why I'm using it over my eyes. Again, I love using products that are like maybe meant for the eyes. I'll use it on my lips. You know, that's what makeup is for. It's artistry. Feel free to experiment with your makeup. The lashes are tacky now. It's perfect. It's going to go on bloop 1 second. It's going to be on, which is why I love to let them sit and let them dry, because then it just goes on so easily. It's like the easiest thing ever, instead of you having to worry about poking yourself in the eye or messing up, getting glue all over the place. Like, just let it get dry, let it get tacky, and just dap it right on, and it's like perfect. So there you go, as you can see. And again, these lashes are old. This is like my 20th time using it, but it's luxury lashes, so it lasts you forever and ever. Yes, I'm using Bittersweet again. I love Bittersweet. I use it literally every day. I buy so many of it, so I'm sorry. I'll try to get something else. I used to use actually, no, what am I talking about? This is chestnut. I used to use Bittersweet, but it breaks all the time. So now I only use chestnut. So this is chestnut that I'm using. Sorry about that, guys. So I'm going to line my lips with chestnut. Then I'm going to get into this Aaliyah gloss that I bought at Macy's for only $10 that I absolutely love. Oh my God. Like, you guys need to go check it out. It's currently on sale in Macy's, and or all MAC counters anyway. And I love it. I love it. I love it. It's just simple, shimmery, glowy. Like, I'm all about that natural, simple makeup at this point. Love it, love it, love it. Check my lashes. Lashes are good to go. We're going to use a little bit of Maybelline mascara just to blend my natural lash with the artificial lash. And then, you know, go on the bottom lash, make it look a little bit more dramatic. That's it. Just a dab, just a little bit of it. A little bit of it goes a long way. You'd be surprised. We're almost there, guys, almost there, and I'm loving how I look. I just love simple, natural, glowy makeup. Now we're getting into highlighter, which I'm using this new highlighter from MAC. MAC used to have these years ago. They discontinued them, and now they brought them back. They're like powdery highlighters. I love them. Listen, I don't know why my mama didn't name me like Shine or like Glitz or something, because I love to glow. Like, my middle name should have been Globy. I love glowing, so I'm just gonna, you know, use it like on my cheekbones, on my T-zone, and a little bit of it on the top lip. In my opinion, there is nothing like having too much highlighter. Listen, I want to glow, 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 glow. Guys, I hope you love my look as much as I do. Try it. If you have any questions, any comments, let me know. Please, please don't forget to comment and to subscribe. Let me know if there are any videos that you want me to do. I'll be more than happy to do it. Let me know feedback on the products. I'm here for you guys. I'm here for you. I'm here for you. So you guys do what you're supposed to do, and I'll just try to keep up with the content and try to bring you guys all the hot stuff and all the beauty tips that you need. What I did notice was that the mic was a little bit lower on the iPhone 10 than it is on the T5. I also noticed that the quality was slightly darker. The T5 makes my videos a little bit more brighter. Yeah, that's about it. That's about it. But overall, I definitely think that if you only have an iPhone 10 and you can't afford a professional camera at the moment, an iPhone 10 could really do your YouTube videos for you. And I'm sure there are even like other apps that you could use to brighten up your videos a little bit more.